Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you my new squishy part 2. I hope you watched part 1 already. I only have one new squishy. I hope you'll stay tuned for more of my new squishies one. I think there will be till part 10 or I don't know. So yeah, so this is the only I have the squishy. My new squishy part 2 for this video only. One squishy only because I no money to buy. Okay, so I got this. Sorry, this is not I buy one. My mom bought for me. Okay, so this is the donut. It's strawberry donut, and is with cream. This is the whipped cream, different one, and this is the cookie. You can't see it properly. I'll make it. Yeah. Okay. This is the cookies, and this is the chocolate drizzles, and the cookie is also strawberry. The donut also, and it comes with this keychain or truffle straps. I don't know. And yeah, and it's also very squishy. Yeah. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And please just read the description box. Okay. Stay tuned for more of my new squishy. Okay, bye.